Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today we have one last Claudie-inspired craft, showing you how to make a 3-tiered display stand similar to the one from her bakery playset. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. So, let's get making! To figure out the size of our display stand, we collected a range of lids and containers for the plates. Since they will ascend in diameter, you can use both the lid and cut off the bottom from your containers. Another good option are metal canning lids and the base from a Pringles chip can. With our selections made, we just need to paint our trio of plates white. Using spray paint made this job quicker and easier. To make support racks underneath the plates, you will need a thick paper tube, barbecue skewers, and wooden chopsticks. Carefully cut your tube to get 3 rings that are about 5 mm thick. Pierce the tube with a push pin to make 4 holes evenly spaced around the ring. Now feed through your first barbecue skewer, making sure the ring is centered. Then trim your skewer to 10 centimeters. Pre-cut shorter 5 cm pieces and insert them into the remaining 2 holes. It should look like this. To secure our sticks, we are trying Uhu brand wood glue. Apply small drops to the top and bottom and where the skewers join the paper ring. Repeat these steps to get 3 identical support racks. Next, cut 4 chopsticks to 12.5 centimeters tall, ensuring you keep the tapered end. These will be the legs of our display stand. Pre-mark the placement for each support rack. Using hot glue or wood glue, adhere the ends of the skewers to the legs of the display stand. Start with the bottom rack. Once it is secure, insert the middle rack, then finish with the top. For a decorative handle, we are recycling the neck segment from 3 plastic coat hangers. Place the inverted V over your stand and mark where to cut. Adhere with hot glue to the top of 2 legs connecting the left side, then repeat to connect the legs on the right side. Position and mark your last coat hanger. Cut it down to size and attach to the top. Perfect! Now we can paint the stand cream to match American Girl's version. You can choose to place or permanently glue the plates onto the rack. Fill the shelves with fruits from Claudie's collection and it's ready to go into the bakery shop. We love the versatility of this piece to display many of our AG, OG and handcrafted food items. When compared to other American Girl display stands, the addition of the 3rd tier makes it a great piece for layering if you want to set up a grand food display. Thanks again for joining us today, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!